What's up, guys? Hey, Antoine Webb here from Culture Matters. Standing with me today is Mr. Matthew Merenoff, RRG Group, LLC, Real Estate Recovery Group. Okay? Check him out. Matt, thank you for being here today with us.
Thanks, Anton. I really appreciate it. So, guys, my name is Matt Merenoff, Real Estate Recovery Group. People that don't know me, I actually took my company nationwide 3 years ago. How long do we know each other for?
I would say almost a year.
It's about a year or so again. And then the CFO, Mr. Jay Duran.
Mr. Jay Duran, yeah, met you through Jay.
Yeah, so I know Jay now probably about a year and a half, 2 years now. So the reason why we're actually doing a video together is because culture does matter when you're doing short sales.
Yeah, for sure it does.
And it's super important that people understand what their options are. So I like working with people like Antoine and Jay over Culture Matters because people need to know that their options are out there. And there's so many people out there that are misinformed, that they don't understand what's going on. They don't have the proper information. They don't have the proper tools. And it's so important that you get together with people that are, experts in the business. People that are really putting useful content that are out there, like you guys. I love the stuff that you and Jay are putting out there.
Thank you.
The message that you're sending to people and understanding that, culture really does matter. Culture matters in whatever it is that you're doing, but you have to understand, I guess, what the culture is.
Yes.
And whatever the driving force is. So my company helps people on a national level, people that are in trouble with their properties, Real Estate Recovery Group. And you can go to the website. The website is Real Estate Recovery Group, LLC.com, Real Estate Recovery Group, .com, and then there's Real Estate Recovery Group, then there's Real Estate Recovery Group, RRG, Group, LLC.com. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, there's so many .coms.
We're not me messing up in the beginning. You got it down.
But at the end of the day, it's about helping people. And if you want to reach out to me, you can reach out, through Anton directly, or you can follow me on Facebook with Matt Merenoff. And everything all right? Yeah. And basically, at the end of the day, it's about letting people know what their options are. And as far as part of the culture aspect of it, now I'm a firm believer in culture matters, and I love the fact that there are people out there like myself, like Antoine, that want to help people that are in trouble with their properties. So there are options out there, and that's why I have the Know Your Options campaign, and letting people understand that one I know. It's hashtag RRG Know Your Options, and you could take a look at some of the videos and some of the posts that I put on there. And if you're a realtor, if you're an attorney, if you're an investor, if you're a title company, anybody, homeowners, anybody out there that's involved in real estate and want people to understand what their options are, definitely reach out to me and try to find out whether or not you can help somebody stay in their house, or if they have to sell their property, but at least give them a fair shot, Antoine, because there's a lot of people out there, there's like a one-trick pony.
Right.
They don't understand the characteristics of the short sale side of it. And that's why my vision was to go nationwide with the Real Estate Recovery Group so people understood what their options were.
And I think that is a very, very valuable niche that you're covering. My real estate agent friends, this guy right here is a notch that you want to have in your utility belt. Why? Because you are in the service of helping people. Without your service, it's going to be very difficult for people to, number one, navigate the market, and number two, know the next steps. So instead of shying away from those short sales, okay, guys, look, they should be called short, long sales. We get that. But this guy right here makes the process pain-free. And guess what? It doesn't come out of your pocket, okay? There's partners programs that he's put together with his company that will allow you to not let things and properties that you could be of service for people fall through the cracks, okay? The more people that we can authentically communicate that, hey, this guy is here to solve a problem and it's here to help you solve the problem, is the better off that our industry is going to be in real estate, and the more people that are going to get helped through the efforts of Matt and through the efforts of you, the real estate agents that are watching this, other people who are watching this. Guys, if you're in a situation and you're in a bad financial way, find Matt. Matt, where can they find you? What's your number, man? Put it out there.
Okay, so you can reach out to the 866 number. It's 866-739-3960. 866-739-3960. You can reach out to that number. Or you can follow me on Facebook if you're not following me now. I just want to put that out there really quick. So we're right now in Nutley, New Jersey.
That's right.
Okay, we are at a real estate office.
Yes.
Okay, we are at the Realty Executive Office.
Yes.
In Nutley, New Jersey. One of the agents heard me speak, and then they heard you speak.
Yep.
All right, and just so you know, if you guys want, you can have us both come in and do presentations.
Yeah, we're happy to help.
We work
Give value.
very well together. But at the end of the meeting, one of the agents pushed me aside and said, "Hey, I had a listing, and the listing agent said we're not moving forward.
Yeah.
The attorney doesn't want to move forward." You heard firsthand.
Yeah, no, that's exactly what he said.
So I said to him, "Hey, let's get that listing agent on the phone. Right. You have the buyer, he has the listing. Let's see if we try to make it work." Now, you saw the clock on that phone. It was under 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And that agent is excited now to try to share the options with that homeowner. If that means we got to get rid of the attorney because the attorney doesn't understand, that's okay. But at the end of the day, maybe the attorney is willing to work with us and try to figure out a way to get the deal done versus saying, "Hey, the bank isn't responding." I'm tired of hearing people say to me, "The bank's not responding," or "They're not getting back to me." That's ridiculous.
Sure.
So you actually heard firsthand what Matt Merenoff does on the phones. No fluff, right into it. I did a quick intro, and within 5 minutes, the guy was pumped. In the beginning of the conversation, he was kind of like, "Oh, no, the attorney, whatever." But at the end of it, he was excited because now he's going to reach back to the person, and he literally has the paperwork right now to release the property. He's doing an unconditional release because the attorney involved is saying, "Hey, there's nothing we can do. The bank's not responding."
Right.
And that's why a lot of attorneys are going to me now, which you know.
Yep.
And you're going to be with me next week, and you can be taping at the summit that we're going to be at for the mortgage, distressed mortgage and hard money lender summit. That's going to be pretty cool.
Yes,
So you're going to
awesome.
be able to talk with people from other parts of the United States too. So it's going to be great for both of us. So again, if you want to try to reach out to me, you can contact me through Antoine. You can reach out to me direct. And that's really it.
Hey, we're out here. You see us on the internet. You see us through our videos. This guy posts like a maniac. You know how I post. So Matt's your advocate for the banks. All right?
It's not a no until you get a restraining order. Remember that.
Catch you on the next one.